Good day, viewers. The Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange, British Imperial YouTube Broadcasting. We're continuing the Morse figures records, JGS 36 or CTPX 12378. This is part 2.
An additional help to memorize these sounds is to spend a short time each day when reading the newspaper, for instance, mentally turning the figures of the stock and share quotations into their sound equivalents, and similarly with car registration numbers or street numbers. It is a very easy way to practice. Now here are a few examples of a 5-figure group. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Once again, two, 4, 8, 6. Once again, one, naught, naught, 2, 3. Once again, eight, 7, 6, 4, 5. Once again, nine, 6, 3, 2, 1. Once again, you will notice the even spacing between each figure, just a very slight pause.
Well, we did. How extraordinary, viewers. Oh well, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and goodbye.